Most people get this wrong. They assume TurboPay is just another quick cash or buy now pay later app. But the surprising truth in 2026 is that it combines early wage access, flexible installment payments, and financial tracking features in one platform. When used correctly, TurboPay can help cover short-term expenses without leading to long-term debt. Here's how TurboPay works. The app lets you access a portion of your earned wages before payday, usually within hours. Eligible purchases can be divided into manageable installments over several weeks. TurboPay charges a flat, predictable fee per advance or installment rather than traditional interest, making it easier to budget. TurboPay also offers dashboards, reminders, and notifications to help you track spending and upcoming payments. These features reduce the risk of missed payments and late fees. The downside, overusing TurboPay can become expensive. Frequent advances or missed payments can add up, and relying heavily on the app may hide larger financial issues. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only access funds you can repay on time. 2. Enable repayment reminders. 3. Keep a small emergency fund to reduce dependency on TurboPay. Who should use TurboPay? People with steady income who occasionally need short-term cash or want help managing larger purchases. If your income is irregular or repayment discipline is weak, TurboPay could cost more than it saves. In conclusion, TurboPay in 2026 is a practical tool but only if used wisely. Track fees, plan repayments, and treat it as a temporary solution. Subscribe for more honest app reviews and actionable financial tips.